Eto na. So, mga pangkin, in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-cash in kay BINGX. Marami akong nare-receive na gantong questions, requests. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. So, casual lang tayo ngayon. Umiinom muna ka ng coffee. Alright? Okay. So, there's actually 3 ways on how to transfer funds from BINGX. By the way, GCash is not an option yet. May nagtanong dati sa TikTok ko kung available na ba si GCash. Hindi pa. Pero, yun, ituturo ko sa inyo yung 3 ways on how to do it. So, tabi ko lang yung copy ko. So, andito tayo ngayon sa screen ng BINGX. That's the first one is dito sa may taas, buy crypto. Alright? So, makikita mo dyan, may Ethereum, BTC, and USDT. Okay? Dito sa way na to, merong 30.3 minimum yan na pag-cash in. Tapos, lalabas na dyan yung portals. Yung mga provider, service provider na pwede mong gamitin to use your Visa, I think MasterCard, and ewan ko kung ano iba. Okay? Tapos, pag tinaasan mo yan, let's say 50. Okay? Lalabas yung ibang provider dyan. There you go. May nagkaroon na siya ng bansa. So, pwede kang magbayad through Apple Pay. Okay? Using the Banza service provider. I haven't tried that. I-browse around yun na lang yan. Alright? So, you just need to click there. Read terms and conditions. Okay. Tapos, ayan, there, it will lead you to the service provider, something like that. Again, I haven't tried this, so check nyo na lang. Going back, subukan natin yung advance. So there you can use your credit cards. I think debit will also do, pero check nyo na rin. Alright? So, yeah, so check nyo na lang, browse nyo na lang isa-isa. That's the first one. So if you have credit card or debit, you can use that. Discuss naman natin yung second option, which is Coins.ph. Alright, so ngayon, let's talk about how to do it via Coins.ph. Bakit Coins.ph? Kasi if you have funds kay GCash, pwede ka rin mag-transfer from GCash to Coins.ph, then Coins.ph to BINGX. So, that's why. So, all you need to do is to pull up your Coins.ph account, and then sa homepage, click nyo tong crypto prices. Alright? And then, ang gagawin nyo na umpisa, na una, is to buy XRP. Bakit XRP, Tito? XRP kasi, yun yung pinakamura yung fees. Okay? Yung transaction fee. At, mabilis din. Pinakamabilis siya. So, hanapin nyo lang yung XRP. This one. Okay. Alright. Then, buy and sell. Okay. So, let's say buy. Okay. So, makikita nyo dito yung balance nyo. Right. So, bibili kayo. Right. And then, hit convert. So, let's say meron ka lang funds sa Coins.ph. All you need to do is to transfer it to BINGX. Okay. How to do that? Just click crypto. Okay. And then, send. And then XRP, kasi XRP yung binili natin, yung ita-transfer natin. Send. Ito, send sa baba. And then you can either scan XRP QR code or enter XRP address. So ako ginagamit ko usually is XRP address. Okay? So dalawa yan na kukunin mo. XRP address and destination tag. Makukuha mo yan sa BINGX mamaya. Now, balik tayo sa BINGX. So, sa BINGX, para makuha mo yung XRP address mo is punta ka sa assets sa baba, bottom right. Alright. So, makikita mo dyan yung assets mo. Right. Ito, walang naman tong account na to eh. So, all you need to do is to deposit. So, kumbaga, dito sa BINGX mo is diyan ka magde-deposit, 'di ba? So, click mo yung deposit and then look for XRP, okay? Usually nandito siya sa hot. So, ayan. So, XRP, i-click mo lang yan. Important tips, both tag and address are required for XRP deposit in BINGX. Okay, so kailangan mo yung dalawa. Okay, deposit withdrawal guide. Now, dito makikita nyo yung QR code and then yung address, pati yung tag. Sa akin, takpang ko na rin kasi ayoko lang. That's the address and tag. You can hit copy. Balik tayo sa coins.ph. Paste. Right? Make sure na tama yung una tsaka yung at least yung dulo. Right? Balik tayo sa BINGX. Copy yung tag naman. Tapos balik tayo sa coins.ph. Then paste natin ulit. Yan. Then hit done. Receiver does not have a destination tag. Huwag mo i-click yan. Right. And then hit next. Ngayon, makikita nyo naman dyan yung first name recipient, ganyan, destination. You can hit other. Okay. And then lagay mo dito yung name, BINGX. Alright. First name and last name, let's say CT. Kunyari lang. Okay, amount, lagay mo magkano. Okay, amount exceeds balance kasi wala tayong laman. Pero that's how it goes. Yun lang. So, all you need to do is to follow the next steps. Papakita naman ni coins.ph kung ano yung mga next step na kailangan gawin. Now, after ma-send yun, wait ka lang mga siguro 5 minutes, ganyan. So, that's how to do it via coins.ph. Alright, this time gagawin naman natin is Binance. Usually sa mga exchange platform, halos parehas lang din naman sila. Actually, parehas lang din dun sa coins.ph, pero medyo iba kasi yung interface dito. Next is click wallet, just hit withdraw. Alright, then hanapin mo yung XRP or just type it here, XRP. Right, click that. Send via crypto network, send via email. Okay, crypto network. Lagay mo lang dito yung address mo. Again, ang lalagay mo dito is yung XRP, is yung address mo kay BINGX. BINGX. Make sure same ng network, XRP or Ripple. Hit withdraw. So as you can see, yung network niya nasa pinakababa. Network fee is 0.25 XRP lang. Okay, so sobrang mura. Magkano lang ba XRP ngayon? Okay, check nyo na lang. Pero mura lang. Bare-bare lang yan. So, hit withdraw and then, yun. So, follow nyo na lang yung instruction dun sa screen ni Binance. Wait ka lang ng under 5 minutes. And then, makikita mo na yung funds mo sa BINGX. Makaka-receive ka naman ng notification via email and notification ng application. Okay? So, pagtapos ka na, lalabas na yan dito sa either sa fund account mo, standard account, or perpetual. There. So, those are the options on how to transfer funds from other crypto exchanges to BINGX. So, if nagustuhan yung tutorial natin or if meron pa kayong ideas or suggestion na gusto nyo i-cover ko, just comment down below and then gagawa natin ng tutorial yan. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And that's it for now.